In this class, we are looking at trigonometric ratio of special angles, and we are looking at angle 30, 60, and 45. Trigonometric ratio of special angles, angle 30, 60, and 45. Now, how do we arrive at the special angles? Now, consider an equilateral triangle of side 2 units. Consider an equilateral triangle. You have an equilateral triangle of side 2 units. Since it's an equilateral triangle, it means that all the sizes will be equal and all the angles will be equal to 60 degrees. That is, this angle will be 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and the side is 2 units. Now, if I divide this equilateral triangle into 2 by drawing a line like this, let's say the triangle is A, B, C. If I divide the triangle into 2 and there's a point here, M now, midpoint. If I bring out this triangle, I have something like this. This is A, this is M, this is B. This is side 2 units. Now, since I divided this angle into 2, this place will be 30 degrees, and this place will still remain the 60 degrees. This place, this is 90 degrees. This side is still 2. Since from here to here is 2, and I've divided this angle, this triangle into 2, it means that R from B to M will be 1 unit. Then how do I get this side? Let's say it is X. Then using Pythagoras theorem, I can get this side X using Pythagoras theorem. That is x squared plus 1 square, x plus 1 square supposed to be equal to hypotenuse square, supposed to be equal to 2 square. So I will have x square plus 1, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Collecting like terms now, I have x square is equal to 4 minus 1. Then I have x square is 3. Then my x is looking for taking square root of both sides. My x will be equal to square root of 3. That means this side is root 3. Now, since this side is root 3, I can find sine 30, cos 30, and tan 30 using this triangle. Now, if I want to get my sine 30, this will be opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Going by this 30, this is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Then you have sine 30. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine opposite over hypotenuse. Using our knowledge of SOHCAHTOA. If you recall your knowledge of SOHCAH and TOA, that is, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, while tan is opposite over adjacent. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 30 is opposite hypotenuse. That will give me 1 over 2. Then cos 30, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, hypotenuse. That will give me root 3 over 2. Adjacent, hypotenuse. While tan 30 is equal to opposite over adjacent. TOA, opposite over adjacent. Opposite and adjacent. So that will give me 1 over root 3. Now, if I want to get for the 60, if I consider this angle 60 now, this will be my opposite. This is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. Considering this angle 60, this is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So let me get my other angle. So you have sine 60 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. That will be root 3 over 2. Then cos 60 cos 60 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. That's 1 over 2. Then tan 60 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Tan 60 opposite over adjacent. That will give me root 3 over 1, which is the same thing as root 3. So these are special angles for angle 30 and 60. Now let's look at how they arrive at special angle 45 degrees. So these are special angles 30 and 60. Let's look at 45 degrees. Now I can clean this one now. Now consider a right angle triangle that is shown below. This is a right angle triangle that is shown below. The outside 1 unit, and the angle here is 45 degrees. If I want to get this hypotenuse, then using Pythagoras theorem, I will have 1 square plus 1 square will be equal to y square. If this is A, B, and C. Then 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 square is another one. You have y square. Then you have 2 is equal to y square. Then my y should be square root of 2. So this place is square root of 2. Then considering this 45 now, if I do my sine, what is sine? As I've done before, you have sine 45 degrees. What is sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse. Sine 45 opposite over hypotenuse. That will give me 1 over root 2. Then you have cos 45 adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. That is still 1 over root 2. Then tan 45 is equal to opposite over adjacent. That's 1 over 1, which is 1. So these are the arrive at the special angles 30, 60, and 45 degrees. So these are what we refer to as special angles 30, 60, and 45. And we are going to be using these special angles now to solve some questions. We are using these special angles to solve some questions. So stay tuned to this channel as we bring to your way example using these special angles.